there, you little monkeys. Today, me and this little specimen over here are going to play some Animal Company.
He's a fucking idiot. Ah, fuck, I wanted
Ow!
to snowball you are, you.
That's it, you're racist. You're doing it because I'm purple, that's racist.
Don't fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you.
Nah,
anyway,
I
come on.
need this. You asshole.
But how good is
idiot?
it compared to mine? Anyway, viewers, today me and
Mine's
this
pretty
little-
long. Hey, you bitch.
Ma
I'm gonna hit you back.
Anyway, viewers, me and this weird specimen that has the same IQ as me, negative 552 and a half.
He doesn't have 4 IQ, he has 7. Don't get me wrong.
Negative 7.
He's not that dumb. He doesn't have 4 IQ. He has 12.
Just calm down.
If he even knows how to fucking triple phone. Nice! I fucking got it. I want to open.
I'm coming now.
Come, you bitch.
I'm coming. Umbrella! Yay!
Mine, pussy. You fucking... Shit.
Yeah. Unlucky for us, we are not getting that one back.
Action.
Ah! Ah! I will get rid of this flashlight. Come on.
Nay, I wanna...
Ow.
You spat!
What did you just call me? Get over here! I keep on
Oh,
calling
look
you.
who's talking!
Ah! What the fuck?
It's only a nuclear bomb. That noise just made me shoot myself. Ah, you bitch.
Wait, bro, there's a ruby over here.
Oh, comedian.
The mimic's there! The mimic's there!
There's also a mimic. Nah, bro, it said fuck me and then it got forced back in. Fuck you.
Wait, bro, stop. Umbrella.
Use sandpaper. Bro, I already have one, so I'll just roll into this instead.
Come on.
I was actually gonna throw it. Are you not getting an umbrella?
I already have one, dumbass.
Oh. Oh, good heavens.
Oh, great heavens. It would appear that my umbrella... Bro, look at me, a Mary Poppins. Oh.
Fuck. Bro, fuck my crowbar. Ah, fuck.
Yo, 1 second.
Glow stick, you twat. My glow stick!
Ah! Ah!
That's not working, it's racist. Cause I'm brown, isn't it?
Bro, I see it. I see it.
I was gonna just fucking fly off. Nice, fuck you.
No! No! This idiot here, the reason why we were cut short on this video is because of this idiot.
I've not got anything.
I'm going to beat your ass. Anyway.
Goodbye, my friend!